Hi friends, this is Egan Tech Buddies and you are watching Egan Tech Buddies YouTube channel. For getting new job updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the the Bureau of Pharma PSUs India is officially out the notification for recruitment for 24 candidates to fill the assistant general manager, junior marketing officer or marketing officer, executive jobs in all over India. The aspirants who are looking for central government jobs can utilize this wonderful opportunity. Also, the offline application for the BPPI recruitment 2020 will start on 18th April 2020. The interested aspirants should apply for the post before 13th April 2020. Furthermore, to know more about the Bureau of Pharma PSUs of India careers, aspirants can refer the video. So let's check the details. For assistant manager position, there are only one vacancy is there, and the maximum age limit is 45 years old. The qualification needed for the job profile is B Pharma or BSc or M Pharma or MBA, equivalent from reputed institutions or universities, and 15 years of experience. The candidates having experience in same profile in government sector shall be given more preference. The selected candidates, they will pay an amount of 70,000 to 2 lakh plus 24% HRA and IDA. For the manager, there are only one vacancy and the maximum age limit is 35 years old. The qualification needed for this job is B Pharma or BSc, M Pharma or MBA from equivalent reputed institutions or universities, 8 to 10 years of experience in pharma sector. The candidates having experience in same profile in government sector shall be given preference more. The scale of pay is 60,000 to 1,80,000 plus 24% HRA and IDA. The next one is junior marketing officer or marketing officer. There are 20 posts available. Maximum age limit is 30 years old and the qualification needed for the post is BBA or BCA or B Pharma or equivalent from reputed institutions or universities. For junior officer, 1 year of experience in sales and marketing in pharma sector only. Candidates in experience in same profile in government sector shall be given more preference. For marketing officer, 2 years of experience. They will be given 20,000 to 80,000 for junior marketing officer and 25,000 to 87,000 for marketing officer plus HRA plus IDA. The next one is executive logistic and supply chain. There are one post. Maximum age limit is 30 years old. The qualification needed for the post is BC or BSc, MBA or equivalent in media or journalism or mass communication. 1 year of experience. The scale of pay is 25,000 to 87,000 plus 16% HRA and IDA. For executive quality and regulatory, one post is available. The maximum age limit is 30 years old and the qualification needed for the post is B Pharma, 1 year of experience in quality and regulatory, and candidates having experience in same profile in government sector shall be given more preference. The scale of pay is 25,000 to 87,000 plus 24% HRA and IDA. The interested candidates can send their applications with attached copies of documents to the email ID, or you can send the applications to the address the eligible candidates or the candidates who have met the eligibility criteria can apply for the job through the link provided in the description box before 13th April 2020. If any doubts, you can comment on my comment box. Thank you for watching my video.